In this video, let's see how to assign and manage content types for pages in Plant SCADA 2023 R2. Let's assign a content type to a graphic page. Follow these steps. First, select the visualization activity. Then, choose a page from the list. Go to the Content Type field and type or select a content type from the drop-down list. The drop-down list contains content types available to the active project. If your project was created using Situational Awareness Starter project, once you have selected the content type, you can save the project. In this example, we have considered the FPVLV page from the Example SA project. This page has been created to be associated with valves equipment. In this way, when defining a valve in the equipment editor, we can easily associate it with this page. This means that when a valve is selected at runtime, the system will automatically display the relevant page based on the assigned content type, enhancing the efficiency and clarity of your workspace. By using content types, you can streamline the display and management of your pages, making your Plant SCADA system more efficient and easier to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.